Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne, and today I'd like to share with you one of our beautiful fusion designs. This is the Slater Industrial Double Pedestal Base. It combines high quality wood components with sleek metal for a contemporary look. This is also very durable. This product is sold as a set of two and can transform an existing table or provide a modern touch to a new build. The bases have a height of 29 inches and a width of 29 inches, making them perfect for a large dining table. The wood is sanded to 150 grit and is left unfinished and allowing you to apply the wood stain or paint of your choice. The center post attached with two large bolts, and they are countersunk holes at the top and bottom of the post, allowing for easy installation. The Slater Industrial Double Pedestal Base is part number 342208. Remember that it is sold as a set of two. These bases are part of our Fusion collection, which includes table legs, island posts, and corbels. All of those will feature wood and metal designs incorporated together. Grab a set of these table pedestals today for a stunning addition to your industrial or modern home. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find the Fusion collection on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.